yung Mindanao pag hanik at airplane. Ang ganda dito, mabango siya, parang China. China yung aking airline this time. Yes? Ha? Yeah. Saan naman yung sila, uy?
Hang around.
Yeah, departures. I like this one because they let you check in early.
Yeah.
In Manila, you have to wait. No, in Cagayan, I think. You have to wait for like it's nearly time. Am I going there now? Where?
Passengers only access point.
Huh?
Do you have your boarding pass and your passport?
Yeah.
Right, Mummy. Let's come by here for 5 minutes. Right, Mummy's gonna go now, guys. We'll pick it up in here. Yeah?
Yeah.
Huh?
So I need my passport. Have your boarding pass ready. Is it 2 boarding pass?
Yeah, just give them that. They'll give you
Bye-bye.
yours.
Give me Jack.
JJ. Got him?
Yeah.
Say goodbye to Mummy. Soon. See you.
See you.
When are you coming back?
Huh?
When are you coming back?
I signed. Look at him.
When are you
Huh?
coming back?
Like,
When
Two-
are you coming back?
huh?
When are you coming back?
You want to
What
kiss your
day?
brother?
What day?
Huh?
Day.
In 8.
Oh.
You ain't gonna miss you. Honey.
I like your little
Say bye-bye
feet.
na ka, Jack.
Bye-bye, Jack, Nanny. I'll miss you.
Yeah?
Instead of going for the machine there, Mummy, the automatic one, go to this one here, to the lady.
Yeah,
Okay?
okay.
It's assistance this way, let's see.
Okay. Because I have baby no.
With families and children under 12.
Hmm? Yeah. I'm crying. She's crying. What? Don't cry, oy.
Right, have a nice holiday. Make sure you have a nice time. Okay, Jackie boy. Enjoy your time with your umos and your dumlaus. Yes?
And your camera is everywhere.
Ah.
Ah, honey.
Come.
You want to come?
Next time we'll
Next
all
time
go
we'll
together,
go,
yeah?
okay?
Next time we'll all go.
JJ, look at JJ. You're not crying?
No.
No? It's okay. Okay? Usa naman ni Honey, hold my camera please. Uy,
Sit down.
ala, Honey.
Eh?
JJ, don't kill.
Right, come on then, Mummy.
Where are you going?
Over here.
Send that to me?
Go up to that lady. Huh? I'll
Wait,
send
my
you this way.
passport.
Yeah, go to this lady there.
Bye-bye.
Wait, I'll take my passport first.
Well, you can go there and put it. Right. Bye bye.
Say bye-bye. She's sad. Mommy will be back.
Jenny, well, come pick them up. Hey, you didn't give me a kiss yet.
Thank you.
Have a nice holiday, Mummy.
Thank you, honey. Ala,
Right.
ala na,
Right,
doon.
don't do that. Right, okay.
Okay. What is this?
Sorry, thank you.
Turn your toes over.
Right. You know what's quite amazing about that, Mummy? There's another aisle there next to us. You didn't have to do that.
What?
Liquids.
Ala, I cannot bring this liquid.
Well, she'll tell you now.
Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye lang. Bye-bye na. Bye, JJ. See you later.
Have a nice time.
Bigyan ka kang daddy, ha? See you later.
Have a nice
Bigyan
time.
ka kang daddy, ha?
Have a nice time. Enjoy yourself.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
See you in.
Wala,
Have a nice
she don't
holiday.
care.
Okay.
Bye-bye, JJ. She's upset.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye, Jenny. Say bye bye to Mama.
Bye for you have more. More.
No, I gotta take care of you.
Wow, dito kami nakaupo kay... Mag-antay muna kami ni Jack ng 9 o'clock. No, lagi na kay dirty. 9 o'clock. Kalaguto man ko, Jack. Oy, wala man tay food, Jack. Ngita, tag food lang ta. 9:30 pa. Dito kami sa taas, oh. 9:30 pa may magkuan among gate. Wala pa nakabutang. Naaday dito sa baba ang mga Gucci at mga kuan. Gotse, grabe ka, Gotse and die. Jack. Happy si Jack. Wait, no, dirty. Hello. Sit down ka. Sit down. Grabe, ang igaw kaayo dito. Sorry. Order muna kami ni Jack ng food. Nandito si Jack, oh. Mag-Chinese noodles mini Jack with egg, kay. Gutom kayo. Wala kasi kami kumain kanina. Eat. Unsa man? Dili man nagbibiha. Doon sana ako sa pub kasi sobrang busy. Uy, dito na lang ako sa Chinese. First time ko mag-Chinese noodles. Uy. Hey. Ayun. Jack. Uy, pastalan. Hapit na hulog ang aking kamera. Nagkaon mi dinhi. Kakain kami dito sa, unsa na Chinese restaurant. Oh, busy guys Jack. Og uyog-uyog. Busy siya magganyan-ganyan sa kanyang lamisa. Uy, wala pa kami sa Pilipinas. Nandito pa kami sa UK airport. Oh, nagpaalam na kami. Hilak man ko. Kaon manok si Jack. Hala, gusto pa niya ng manok. Nag-uli sa amin ni Jack o napi. Aboy, laydan ka mag-change the napi. Okay, nagpupo ka? Ay, wala na may noodles ang Tintin. Gano'n na may noodles ang Tintin. Nangawit ka dun taon siya, oh. Nangawit. Change siya, napi. Jack ay wala pa natulog. Hindi pa siya natulog. As in, kanina pa yan. Walang tulog-tulog. Good luck yun sa akin ito. Natulog na si Jack. Mag-check muna ako nitong aking boarding pass. I hope may makasama akong Pilipino. Baka mag-check out. Check out na naman ako. Mapunta akong China sa labas. Sa una lang. Ayan, nana si Jack sa airplane. Oh, siya na. Huh? Paano pa kami? Papunta pa kaming China. Jackie boy. Sakay na si Jack og airplane. Bagong gising to, natulog. Baby, wala pa mi naabot. Ang layo-layo pa namin. Naiwan ko anong oras na. Si Jack, oh, gising. Sakay ka airplane? Jack, asan ka? Lo. Natulog na to. Mga ilang oras din to natulog. Ang good boy. Hello! Nasa China na si Jack. Malapit na kami sa Pinas. Pero mamaya pa yung flight namin. Ipadidi ko muna to siya. Tapos bilisan ko ng napi at damit kay... nabasa na siya, uy. Change ka napi, ha? Naglibang ba ya tao? Saan na lang? Murag lisod ba ni atong posisyon na lang? Pero ayaw niya. Dito na lang. Alam ka, ha? Sapak, paon sa niya mami. Pati ba yung igang? Murag ang Philippines at China pala. Same time lang? Hindi ko alam. Ito wasa. Change na napi ha. Mag-ilis kung kuan diri panty. Pwede man siguro. Nagpupo ang bata. Pupo ang baby. Ang kaluoy. Nagtai pa rin si Jack. Jack, naasa China. Naasa China si Jack. Jack. Come here. Jack, oh. Andito ay. Hoy! No, no. No. Si Jack, gipress man niyang kuan, assistant button. Kalay-kalay, makauwi. I-arrange ito, grabe, kuti kay dinhi. Kay kuan ni Jack, abi na nawala na mi kay nakuan man budmi, ang tagal ba kay lahat bitaw ng mga gadget ipakuha, kay i-check. Tapos akala ko late na, unya, hindi ko makita yung parang board ba. Isa lang yung board nila dito na mag-display doon kasi sa UK. Magkita mo siya lahat. Dito isa lang. Hindi ko alam yung name ng gate ko. Sudah na, Jack. Ikaw mo good, i-press mo ako ang button. Abi na nilag noon sa tadiri. Sipat man ka, uy. So, ibalik ko to lahat sa nilagyan. Kay pagka sa Manila, ganito din yung gagawin. Nandito pa kami sa China. Kutik ayo ay promise. As in, may bata. Sabi ko, asa lang kakuha niya? Baka nawala na ako. Baka hindi ko mahanap yung mga number ng gate. Dili gani. Dili gani mo kita, Jack, no? Lagay ko to dito. Ba't ka galit? So, mag-ano ako, punta ako sa malaking toilet kay mag-toothbrush, mag-ilis akong panty. Uban-ubanon ko ng bata una. Ayay ko. Walang aircon dito sa China. Alam no? Dumating kaming China. Nasa China, kung si Jack. Simple lang yung airport nila dito. Mamaya, ipakita ko kayo. Isa daw. Si Jack, oh. Dito kami sa harapan ng airplane ng mga insikwakang. Ayan. Ang laking airplane dyan, oh. Si Jack, tuara. Ayaw niya magpahawak sa akin. Jack! Jackie boy! Bored na kasi yan siya. Kanina pa yan siya bored. Ikaw ba naman magantay ng sobrang tagal na oras? Hindi ka ba ma-bored? Tuwa na. Asa siya? Tatawa man ako. Tatawa ako sa'yo ba? Dali, dire! Ito kami na-assign ni Jack, oh. Malapit sa bintana. Kami lang dito, dalawa. Empty. Kaya mabait yung aming kuan. Nag-transfer siya dito sa harapan. Ba na si Jack nagsakay og airplane.